Hello everybody. I wanted to go over my virtual library with you guys, just kind of do a brief overview of the kind of books that I had. Under my contemporary realistic fiction section, I had a good selection. The Relatives Came, Alexander the Terrible, No Good, Very Bad Day, Big Red Lollipop, David Goes to School, Owl Moon, and Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Under my diverse population, we did go over a lot of these in class. I know that some of you guys had brought in these books, The Three Little Javelinas, How My Parents Learned to Eat, A Frog Thing, Grandpa Green, and Heather Has Two Mommies. Under my fantasy section, I had Peter Pan, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, The Sword in the Stone, Dragon Rider, A Wrinkle in Time, and Where the Wild Things Are. Historical fiction, I had The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian, Sophia's War, A Tale of the Revolution, The Watsons Go to Birmingham, The War I Finally Won, Little House on the Prairie, and Island of the Blue Dolphins. Under my informational bibliography, I have Animal School, What Class Are You?, Festival of Colors, Redcoats and Petticoats, Who Was Benjamin Franklin, and Who Was Walt Disney. And my poetry, I had Never Take a Pigeon to Lunch and other poems about the fun of eating, Daniel Finds a Poem, Toads on the Road, Animal Tracks, Wild Poems to Read Aloud, Animal Poems, and Fox in Socks. Under my science fiction, I had Boy plus Bot, If You Decide to Go to the Moon, Cosmic, Eager, Wheels on Stilts, and Aliens for Breakfast. Under my traditional literature and folk tales, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, The Princess and the Pea, Sylvester and the Magic Pebble, Charlotte's Web, and The Giving Tree. Thanks guys for checking out my virtual library.